Hello guys, today we will learn how to use a screen recording software. A screen recording software has so many uses. You can record your lecture, you can make tutorials, you can record your presentations, even you can record some clips from a video or a movie. So when I started searching for screen recording softwares, Uh, there are so many free softwares, but Bandicam, I think it's one of the best screen recording software that you can use. It's very user friendly. So let's start. There are some options as you can see here. This is the record stop button. If you want to take a pause, you can pause your video for some time and then refresh and you can start again. You can also record your voice while you are recording your video, and here you can select the area of the screen you want to show to your viewers. I normally use a rectangle on a screen, which is a customized option for selecting a part of the area I want to show to my users. So you just have to install this Bandicam, a free software. So let's start recording. For example, I want to share a small example of some command in addition command in Excel. So is one shortcut for using a sum command, that is Alter plus Enter is a shortcut. Second, you can use sum command. Select the range you want to add and just enter. So let's stop it here and see what we have achieved.